In this video, we are going to talk about 10 tips to build wealth at the young age. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Let's start. Number 10. You are more powerful than you think. Finally, keep in mind that you have more power than you believe. You have the power to alter your thoughts, beliefs, energy, emotions, and behaviors. No, that is unlikely to happen overnight. But it isn't going to happen if you don't take some form of action. So get started right now. Begin small. Start with dedication and the belief that you are completely deserving of a fantastic financial partnership. Whatever adjustments you make, staying committed to not leaving is essential. It's all about consistency, and if you stick with it, things will start to change. Number 9. Watch your words. Changing your mentality is a terrific place to start, and then you should focus on your language. When you start paying attention to the phrases and expressions you use over and over again when talking about money or what normal looks like in your life, you might start to see ways you can adjust your language to no longer describe things as they are. Language is incredibly powerful, and your words truly do build your world. In fact, they are one of the most astounding tools you have for wiring your brain. Number 8. Drop the story. We all have financial resentments and grudges. Areas where we are ashamed of our behavior, and we are all guilty of berating ourselves for not doing better at points in our life. But how is your success being aided by this guilt? Singing a stale old tune about what you could have done better will not help you generate riches by seeing yourself as abundant or free. Now is the moment to make a choice. You build a new story for yourself, and your future possibilities, when you adjust your mentality to be forward-focused. Rewire your brain and program new beliefs as number 7. Did you know that you have the ability to rewire your brain and program in new beliefs? Your current reality, as well as the way you think about money, and perhaps the way money thinks about you, is merely a reflection of your beliefs and perceptions of fact. So, what if you just altered your sense of reality? Consider what a person who is unafraid of money would think, feel, and believe. Number 6. Create an environment of wealth. What will be changed in your life, in your environment, and within you when you are wealthy and have more financial freedom? Hacking the environment is one of the quickest methods to change results in any area of your life. Simply put, you build an internal and physical environment that mirrors what will occur when you are there. This allows you to gradually modify your thinking, your perception of yourself and the environment, and, as a result, your behaviors. It's comparable to how, if you started hanging out with exclusively fit and healthy people, your food and movement habits would naturally change. It wouldn't feel difficult, it would just happen. Number 5. Start small. Don't let the fact that you can't save or invest a lot of money or start buying the items you want stop you from making modest changes to develop wealth and align your money behavior. As with anything in life, reaching massive results, the kind that most people would never dare to dream of, begins with little, continuous acts. What if you made a 0.01% adjustment in your money-related actions and thoughts every day? The stats don't lie, and there will undoubtedly be changes. Imagine gradually increasing the percentage increments. You will create a long-term effect in your life. Number 4. Start now. As absurd as it may appear, one of the reasons so many individuals never achieve their financial objectives or begin to feel good about money is that they do not begin taking little measures now. Yes, you, on the other hand, did not. So get started today, or you'll be grieving another few years have passed the next time you read an essay like this. It is illogical to put off taking little actions to save, invest, and make conscientious, thoughtful spending decisions because you feel unworthy in some way. So let's put that notion to rest and get things moving. It is possible to choose to be worthy. You may start acting like a person who is confident in their relationship with money and their capacity to accumulate riches right now. Number 3. Purposeful spending and investing. It's critical to understand that there's nothing wrong with spending, and you don't have to feel terrible about it. Even if what you're spending money on is purely recreational or indulgent. What you need to do is recognize the crucial distinction between spending and spending in accordance with your beliefs and aims. Is your spending genuinely broadening your horizons? Do you feel really good about it, and does it make you feel better in some way? You can feel better about your spending if you can honestly declare that it gives you a sense of deep satisfaction and the awareness that you're making a great choice for your own actual happiness rather than a momentary fix. Investing in self-care, such as something that will actively enhance your physical or mental health, for example, is a more meaningful way to spend money than buying a pair of costly shoes that you may feel good about now but will feel bad about afterwards. Number 2. Understanding money binging and other sabotaging behaviors. Binging on money, like binging on drink or food, is frequently a manner of attempting to reclaim control in a life where control has been lost. It's natural for your funds to veer off the tracks if you're out of alignment and off the rails. The way so many people use money as a quick cure and band-aid solution, a means to fast-track a pleasure injection of rapid gratification, is one of the key reasons for this link. Do you have a bad mood? Here's something new and pricey to make you happy. Number 1. Abundance as an energy. Even if it may seem difficult or even infuriating to grasp at first, the most important realization you can make about money is that it is an energy. Stop imagining it as a jumble of paper and metal that you have to patch together. Start to realize that whoever feels wealthy and honestly feels the potential availability of that connected abundance, financial and otherwise, will begin to notice this reflected in his or her physical reality. This is a true story. It's not a bunch of nonsense. It's all about being truthful. It's time to shift your mindset. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications before you go. Thanks for watching.